Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Wilton-Jones, and in this video I'm going to explain exactly how you can beat 99% of your competition as a car detailing business. Even if you're just getting started, even if you're the underdog, okay, I'm going to explain strategies that I've implemented over the last few years, not only in my own business that enabled me to stand out and become the dominant car detailing business in my area, but also in multiple other car detailing businesses. These are just a few of the students that I've been working with that are getting amazing results. Danny's getting $15,000 months, and Dylan's doing $2,500 weeks. Lockie's doing $1,300 days. Okay, these are just some of the results that these students of mine are getting with the strategies that I've been teaching them, the philosophies, the strategies, the principles that I'm about to explain throughout this video are essential for growing a car detailing business and absolutely dominating or crushing your competition. Okay. So let's get into it, all right? Now, these three principles you need to implement in order to dominate your market, okay? You can implement these, and even if you're the underdog, even if you have little experience, all right, okay, you can still dominate these big, fat businesses that are just taking over. They've been there for years. They're granddaddies, all right? And you're just a small business starting out wondering what to do, okay? And I was just like you. When I first started my detailing business, I was intimidated by these big businesses, okay? See, when I began, I looked at the biggest competitors and felt intimidating, right? Now I actually collaborate with some of these bigger companies, all right? Some of these bigger businesses, because yes, we want to dominate your local area. We want to stand out. We want to become the best car detailing business in your local area, but still at the same time, we want to collaborate and build business partnerships with other businesses. It is better and more effective to build collaboration and partnerships rather than competition, okay? If you're always competing, no one's going to get the gems, all right? But if you collaborate together, you can all have a slice of the gems. But in saying that, this video is going to teach you how to dominate, okay? I'm going to run through these three important principles, all right, to actually effectively dominating and growing a successful car detailing business. So the core of this strategy boils down to one thing, all right? And that one thing is the product, right? Or the service that you deliver, okay? Your car detailing services must be exceptional, okay? You see, we have the market, right? All these people here, think of them as the market. These are your target audience. These are your clients, your customers. You are competing for all of the market, all right? So these are the car detailing businesses that are in your local area. These are the big businesses that are your competition, right? You are all competing for a slice of this market. The thing is, all of these businesses are offering mediocre service. All right. There's one thing that I noticed in most areas: car detailing businesses offer mediocre services for mediocre prices. Okay. So when I came in with a premium service at premium prices, I absolutely crushed it. People were like, oh, wow, this guy delivers an insane result. This company delivers an insane service. They've got exceptional customer service. I created a seamless customer journey from first contact all the way to when you drop the car off or when the customer pays to the follow-up email the next week, okay? It was seamless. It was smooth, provided more value to them. Everything was easy, and they kept coming back. Okay, if you can create a business that stands out from the competition, that provides a better service, goes the extra mile, okay, you will dominate. Your customers will notice quickly that your product, your service is better than the rest. If you spend more time on your product, you spend more time on your service, you will deliver better results. The customers will see this, okay, and they will keep using you. Okay, now I'm going to write something down, right? A business is essentially a vehicle for delivering value from you to your customers, okay? I'm going to read that again. Write this down. A business is a vehicle for delivering value from you to your customers. That is all a business does. Your car detailing business has one objective, and that is to deliver value to your customer. And if you can do that time and time again, you will grow a massively successful business. Okay. At the root of all this, it is the service that you deliver. Okay. The value that you deliver to your customers. All right. This is what I want you to understand. Now, many car detailing businesses out there are not delivering on this service. They are inadequately delivering on customer needs. Okay. And this provides opportunity for us to come in, build a business that provides exceptional value, exceptional service, and dominates the industry. Okay. Now, let's go into the 3 principles that actually work that you need to implement to dominate your market. Okay. The first one is effort, right? You need to put in more time and energy than your competitors. Simple as that. The more effort you put in, the more output you're going to get. Okay, the better the results, right? Time is an investment, and you need to invest your time into your business. Okay, this is simply one of the principles that you need to implement. For myself, I dedicated more time on delivering an efficient and effective service, right? And I focused and honed in on customer service. I built a relationship with every single customer that we served. Okay, whether I was the one actually dealing with the customer or it was my team, okay, I instilled in them my morals, right, or my ethics, my business ethics. It was to ensure that the customer was satisfied and that we go above and beyond for the customer. Okay, we would put in more time. We would go above and beyond. We would go the extra mile for that customer to ensure that they knew we wanted what was best for them. We cared what was best for them. Okay. Happy customer, happy business, more money, right? All right. Number 2, reinvestment, right? Take a portion of your profits and reinvest it back into your business, right? It seems like common sense, but a lot of people don't do it, especially a lot of big businesses. They keep the profits or they have low profit margins, so they don't have much profits. Okay. The benefit of starting small is you have higher profit margins when starting out. The biggest cost or the biggest expense is your time. Okay. So make sure that you're putting all of your profits or a portion of your profits, reinvesting that back into your business so that you are staying ahead. Okay, so that you are consistently growing, all right? So that you are consistently moving forward. Because if you're not moving forward, if you're not growing, you're dying, right? Whether that means investing in staff, training, SOPs, whether that means investing in better equipment, okay, better marketing, right? More marketing, continuous marketing. Maybe the website needs to be updated, all right? You need to consistently be reinvesting into your business. Or it could even be education, further educating yourself to learn what you need to do next. This is an investment right here. You're investing your time to learn more about how to grow your business. All right, the 3rd principle is love. You have to love what you do. Okay, it doesn't mean you have to exactly love detailing cars or you have to love cars, but you just have to love the journey, the process of growing a business, specifically a car detailing business. You need to love doing that. Right? If you don't have a passion for it, you will fade. That desire, it will just start to burn out and you won't grow, right? And if you're not growing, you're dying. So you need to love what you're doing and continuously improve to making sure that you have the drive, the desire, and the passion to keep building this. Because as soon as you don't, it will correlate to your business's growth. I guarantee it. When you're winning, when you're motivated, when you're enthusiastic, when you're passionate, your business is replicating those results, those emotions, those feelings. Your business will replicate how you are feeling, okay? Your business is a small entity. It is a baby. You have to nurture it. You have to feed it. You have to constantly be spending time on it, right? Because over time, customers will realize your superior value in comparison to your competitors. Okay, it doesn't take long for the public, the customers, the marketplace to realize there is a new kid in town who is dominating and who is doing exceptionally well. Okay, so this is how you build a successful business. The 3 core principles. Okay, more time and energy than your competitors, reinvest your profits, and have a passion. Keep that passion alive. Have a passion for what you do. Now, talking about investing or reinvesting in your business, if you want to work one-on-one with me, I want you to click the link below. Send me a DM in my Instagram. DM me the word grow. Okay, I'm going to send you some information. We could potentially be working together. I encourage you to reinvest in further educating yourself on how to grow your business. Don't just stop here. Continuously educate yourself on how to grow. DM me the word grow on Instagram. I'll send you some more information. We could potentially be working together. If you're keen, doesn't bother me. I got tons of clients. I'm busy. I'm flat out. So up to you, but look forward to meeting you. Bye.